Hello guys. Right now we are making cable gland for the panels. So we are going to make both here, and here with me we have, this is our Allen key which we are going to use. This is our all cut machine. This is our drilling bit. According to the drilling bit and the cable and the gland. So for now we are going to make a hole, and the hole we are going to make, this is, make sure that, first of all, make sure that your drilling bit is good tight. Make sure that you tie your drilling bit. This is your Allen key, this is your Allen key. And for our on-cut machine, this is our on. This one, if you on this side, this one, this is the magnet, you magnet the plate, and as you can see, the plate will not move. And this is our on position and off position. So for here we are going to show you the practical ways that we are going to do. For instance, we have already tied, and now we are going to take the point where we are going to make the hole. This is where we are going to make the hole. And before we start, make sure you start the magnet. When the magnet
one time press and then start this machine.
This is the start button. This is the stop button. So here we have our
putting the water,
cooling water for cooling the drilling bit so that it will not damage. So this is, now we are going to make hole. As you can see, different holes with different size. So we are going to start. We are going to
is finish this grinding, cutting the whole size and the width plate, and check the cable size and the gland size.
Please subscribe my channel, like my video, comment and share. And next we are going to do cable glanding, lamination, all. I will show you all electrical work. Thank you.